Hello everyone. Today, in this video, we will discuss how can you leverage Twitter to do Amazon affiliate marketing. Make money. Twitter is such a great platform and has so much potential for affiliate marketers. So folks, I will tell you what thing you have to do make money from Twitter. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's go to Twitter. Here you can see this product, but this one is from Flickr. Let's see if we can get an Amazon product. This one is from their vlog, but here they're promoting their vlog and also this Amazon product. This one is also same. Here you have it. This guy is promoting this kitchen cookware set from Amazon. And you can see this post has reached 566 people. You can do the same. But before that, let me tell you another page doing same. This guy is promoting interesting and eye-catching kitchen products like the scrubber or something. But if you see carefully, they sometimes have more than one product in their videos. See, these other products that they have posted. One thing that you will notice is that all these videos are engaging, which attracts audience to watch them. And if they like it, you just add your affiliate link in the Twitter thread. Before that, the fact that you are here indicates that you are familiar with the Amazon affiliate program. If you don't know, then I will tell you. You can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, which is not so complicated. Make the affiliate link of any desired product and promote it anywhere and make money. Just click sign up to create the affiliate account. Now, I will tell you how you can get ideas for some interesting and cool products. Just use ChatGPT for it. Type top 10 DIY kitchen products on Amazon. Here you go. You have got these products. Add new keyword and ChatGPT will help you give many results. Just play around with the promotes. Get the best result products. And you can also use Instagram and TikTok. For product ideas, just search cool or interesting products or gadgets. You will see the video or post there and search them on Amazon.com. Now I will tell you how you can get this video to upload on Twitter. Here, what you can do is just download the multi-product videos and crop one product out of them. Just repurpose them. As these videos are for public use, you can repurpose. Another way is that just copy the name of the product from ChatGPT recommendation or use any gadget name you have on your mind and go to Amazon's website. Scroll down and you will see videos of product from customers or reviewers. You can download these videos and just edit them in such a way that you can post them on Twitter. But how you can post this on Twitter? Just go to Twitter You can post on Twitter just by clicking on post and selecting the edited videos of the product and put the affiliate link in description with some compelling text. There is another way you can get product content videos. Just go to TikTok or Instagram, enter the name of the product, and now you will see that product or related product videos like this. Just download that video and put it on TikTok. You can get product ideas from Amazon itself too. Like go to Amazon and search for anything like kitchen products or office tools, anything like this. You can see all products and click on any product like this vegetable chopper. Here, you can use this product catalog photos in tweets too. And lastly, you will find this company's videos like this. Download these videos and do some edits here. And post these videos with compelling text and put the affiliate link in the tweet. For bonus, add cool or DIY in the search of Amazon and you will sometimes get sponsored ad of some products which will be promoted on Twitter like this. Check their insights of catalogs and videos. Check other products also on the page. That's all you have to do. But remember, when you start posting videos, wait at least 2 months to see good results. But sometimes what happens, Twitter virals your account and your post even in a month. So be consistent with posting and check out the products platform too. And try to diversify your product categories. Soon you will start making good money, as Amazon sometimes gives 10 and even 15% commission. That's all from my side. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.